Alright folks, today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to actually reinstall Windows without having to have a technician at your place or taking it to Geek Squad or whatever you're into. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. Let's get into this. So first thing you want to do, and this is obviously Windows 11, so this applies mostly to Windows 11, but Windows 10 has a very similar system. Is we're going to go into Start, and then we're going to go into Settings. Now once we're in Settings, we're going to type in for Reset This PC, and click on that. And then right here we wind up having a few different options. You've got Reset This PC. This is probably the one you're really looking for if you're watching this video. This can either keep or remove your personal files off from Windows. This will always uninstall all your programs no matter what, but you definitely want to make sure you make a backup before doing the remove option, as your files literally will be wiped from the computer. That'll only be on your C drive though, so if you have multiple hard drives, that doesn't necessarily apply to all of your hard drives. Go back. This is basically kind of like how Apple's time machine works. It allows you to go backwards in time to an earlier date before you installed like a program, or maybe you had a virus or something like that. Sometimes this can help out. Not normally, but every once in a while. And then you also have Advanced Startup. Advanced Startup is pretty cool if you're needing to, let's say, reinstall from like a USB drive or something along those lines, or do an advanced repair in Windows. You're probably never going to use this. This is normally for technicians. But Reset This PC and go back. Those are totally consumer friendly. Again, as long as you have backed up your files, make sure you do that. But that's really about all there is to it. When you hit Reset This PC, it's going to come up here. It's going to ask you if you want to keep your files or if you want to remove everything. If you hit remove everything, of course, it'll obviously delete everything on your computer as far as the C drive goes, and basically reinstall Windows from the beginning. It's a great way to kind of clean up the computer, especially if you've had it running for a long period of time and you haven't done any maintenance on it. This is a really great way to kind of clean out all the garbage and kind of get a good fresh start. I know I redo my systems about every 3 to 6 months because, you know, things suck, so it is what it is. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit. Like I said earlier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos, tips and trips videos, and whatnot. In the meantime, stay safe out on the net.